Hey there, word wizards and slang enthusiasts. Ready to level up your Gen Z lingo? Today, we're cracking the code behind the term GOAT. And no, it's not about the animal grazing in a field. So stay tuned as we dive into why everyone's calling their favorite things GOAT. Let's jump right in. 1. What does GOAT mean? Alright, here's the deal. GOAT is an acronym that stands for greatest of all time. It's a way of saying someone or something is simply unmatched in their field. Think of it as the ultimate compliment. For example, LeBron James in basketball, Beyoncé in music, or even your grandma's secret pie recipe. Yep, all GOAT-worthy. 2. How is it used in a sentence? Equals. Let's put it in action. Imagine your friend says, "This new album by Taylor Swift is the GOAT." Translation: they think it's the best thing ever. Or maybe her. Tom Brady is the GOAT of football. Boom, greatest quarterback to ever grace the field. 3. The origins of GOAT. Fun fact: did you know the term GOAT was popularized by the legendary Muhammad Ali? His team used it to describe him as the greatest of all time. Fast forward to today, and it's a staple of Gen Z slang. From TikTok to Instagram, GOAT is everywhere. 4. Let's practice set each other. Here's a challenge for you. Comment below with someone or something you think is the GOAT. It could be your favorite singer, a viral trend, or even your mom's spaghetti. Let's celebrate greatness together. That's a wrap, legends. Now, you know what GOAT means, where it came from, and how to use it like a pro. Don't forget to hit that like button. Subscribe for more slang breakdowns. And share this video with your fellow GOATs. See you in the next one. Stay cool, stay curious, and stay GOAT-worthy.